Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link one Airtable base to another Airtable base. So as you can see, I have this base that says Prosland, and let's say I want to link this base with another base. All I have to do is I have to press this share and sync button, then I have to press this button that says sync data to another base. I have to press this button, I have to select this option that says allow data in this view to be synced to other bases, then I have to press sync this view. Okay, and it will open up a new page, and here it will ask us to choose the workspace and the base that we want to basically connect or link. So let's say I want to link it with leads base. I select this option and I press create table. So what it's gonna do is it is going to link this table, this prosland table, with leads table. As you can see, here it opened up leads table, and it has linked and basically link or sync this table with our prosland base. So this way you can basically sync or connect multiple bases in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.